Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable PHP extensions in Cpanel. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmin it. So first of all, you have to open your website Cpanel and then search for Select PHP version. Once you get it, click on it. And here we can see the PHP extensions option, and these are PHP extensions. To enable or disable any extension from here, simply check to enable, and to disable simply uncheck. Suppose I want to enable PDF extension, so search for PDF. Here we can see PDF, so I'm going to check this. Here we can see the program has been successfully saved. So this is how we can enable PHP extensions in Cpanel. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to unmin it. Thank you for watching.